What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. You are now on day 55 of this beginning 5K program. You guys are marvelous and you're doing fantastic. So let's get moving. Yep, day 55. You are really cruising through this. We're really proud of you, and I'm going to turn you over right now to Coach Robin.
Welcome, runners. It is Saturday, bump up day. So we are going to run 2.5 miles. We've already done it, no big deal, right? Every quarter of a mile that we run more, it's just one time around that track. So no big deal. I know you got it. So just take it easy, take it at your pace, keep your posture good, you know what that is, have your water with you, remember to fuel correctly before and fuel properly afterwards too. Remember that's a good mix of protein is important afterwards to rebuild the muscles that you've just used, right, to help them regrow and rebuild stronger. So anyway, I am going to do my warm-up, go for my run, do my pull down, and then I will come check back with you and see how y'all are doing. I'd love to hear from you, so drop a few comments below once you do your workout, and let's see how everybody's doing. So have a great one. I'll be right back. Another great run done. So you guys are doing fantastic. Remember, every time we bump it up, we're only bumping it up by 1/4 mile. So it's just that one time around the track. I know I keep saying that, but that's all it is. So, just keep that in your mind, and then you won't be overwhelmed. And if you get overwhelmed, take 6 deep breaths, right? Take 6. And anyway, you guys are doing fantastic. I'm really, really proud of you. We are so, so close. Just a couple more weeks now, and we will be at our 5K. And remember, visualize that finish line. So tomorrow is a rest day, and I'll be back tomorrow just to check in on you and see what you're doing. So have a great day.
All right, day 55 is in the bag. You guys are really looking great. We're really proud of you. We really are. You should be proud of yourselves too. 55 days in. So, and you only have 15 days left, and this program will be a wrap, and you'll have that 5K in the bag. And all we ask is if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll be notified every time we put out a healthy living video. And also, if you know anybody who can benefit from this program, make sure you share it with them. And that's all we ask, and we will see you tomorrow. See you, everybody.